Hi, my name is Bryson Reid. I'm a teacher and instructional coach in the city of St. Louis. My proposed presentation is on how to take really large tasks and break them into smaller and more attainable pieces. So things like how to balance a checkbook, how to tie your shoes, how to zip up your coat, all of these things that are things that can feel really massive, but broken into smaller, more instructionally, developmentally appropriate pieces, they can become really, really easy. So during my session, I hope for the educator to learn how to break things down smaller and make things more attainable for their students and be able to apply that in their classrooms to take the really heavy, large things that they're teaching and break it down into smaller, more attainable pieces. During this session, educators will have the option to participate in learning a new skill to be broken down or to just watch. Thank you for listening.